Welcome to the Flying Canary 462 YouTube channel. We hope you enjoy our world of trains. Hello and welcome to another video. If you are enjoying this content, please like and subscribe and we'll get straight into it. So today we are focusing on Tornado, a very, very nice and new British steam train. It is owned by British Railways. It is a Peppercorn class A1, just like Flying Scotsman was back a couple years. It's owned by British Railways and LNER. It's called Tornado. It's very nice and it's apple green. Very, very, very nice train. Now, it was completed in 2008, so it's not actually that long ago if you think about it. And it is the first British steam train to be built since 1960, when the Evening Star was built, and you can see Evening Star now in York at the National Railway Museum. Now, Tornado is going on tour a couple places. You can see it. Last time I saw it, actually, was at Nene Valley Railway in the Midlands. And it's the first new one. It was designed by Arthur Peppercorn. And some ones like it are the P2 steam locomotives. They are quite good. Right, one question we do have is Tornado a replica? Now, Tornado is a replica of the Class A1, St Mungo, and that was built 42 years earlier. So that is some quick fire facts. But we will do one more question, which is the top speed of Tornado. It has reached over 100 mile an hour, which is the same as Flying Scotsman, even maybe a little bit more, but not as much as Mallard. So, as I said, if you like our content, please like and subscribe, and we'll keep you up to date with all the very nice steam train. So, hope you have a good day, and yeah, bye bye.